A good slow cooker produces such flavorful meals that our test kitchen loves using one to create recipes for lunch, dinner, and everything in between, whether that's slow cooker chicken recipes or a pot roast or jackfruit. There are many products available to choose slow cookers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best slow cookers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Calphalon Slow Cooker. The Calphalon Digital Saute turned out some of the most tender beef in our lab's test. The stew broth was rich and the vegetables held their shape. Our experts were equally impressed with the performance of the non-stick cooking insert, which doubles as a saute pan. When we used it to brown meat on the stove, it earned top ratings for even heating. Take note that you cannot saute in the slow cooker like other multi-cookers on the market. You have to saute on your stovetop with the non-stick cooking insert first. The 5.3 quart cooking pot insert is also oven safe. The dial features settings for low, high, and warm. Capacity 5.3 quarts. Weight 9.83 pounds. Dimensions 17.78 x 14.37 x 23.19. Number 2. 6 quart 1500W electric round Dutch oven. Instant Brands, maker of the Instant Pot, our best overall pressure cooker, has really rethought the slow cooker. The Instant Electric Precision Dutch Oven uses an enamel cast iron Dutch oven as the cooking vessel. The company states that, when paired with the electric base, the pot delivers 5 functions: braise, slow cook, sear, saute, manual, and food warmer. We were very impressed with the browning capabilities when making beef stew in our tests. Not needing to use a separate pan for searing is a time saver and helps you capture more flavor right in the slow cooker. That additional flavor helped the overall stew, because while the meat was tender, we did note that the liquid didn't reduce very much. While we tested the Dutch oven only in the base, Instant does say that you can also use it on the stovetop and in the oven. And the classic look makes it easy to bring to the table for serving. Number 3. Crock-pot 7 quart oval manual slow cooker. Crock-pot's 3 quart round manual slow cooker is our top pick for a small slow cooker. It's perfect for bringing warm queso to a tailgate or making a small beef stew for 2. This slow cooker requires minimal cleanup as the insert is dishwasher safe. Handles on its slow cooker's exterior also allow easy transport. If you are looking for a larger version, the crock-pot cook and carry is 6 quarts, and its lid features 2 secure locks and a large handle, making it ideal for taking on the go to potlucks or tailgates. Capacity 3 quarts. Weight 6.7 pounds. Dimensions 9.84 x 11.41 x 10.4. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Programmable 6-in-1 Multi-Cooker with Temperature Probe. With 6 easy-to-use modes including slow cook, sous vide, and saute, sear, you'll be ready to take on any recipe with the Wolf Gourmet 7-quart multi-function cooker. A removable stainless steel cookware insert can also be used on your gas, electric, or induction cooktop, making this cooker a winner in terms of versatility. You can keep track of internal temperature with the convenient temperature probe. This model produced the most tender roast in our test. Don't worry about cleaning up because the insert and lid are both dishwasher safe, and with a 5-year warranty, Wolf is standing behind its product. Number 5. Breville BPR 700 BSS Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker. If you want a cooker that offers tons of flexibility and unique bells and whistles, you'll love Breville's Fast Slow Pro. The sleek 6-quart tool allows you to choose from 11 pressure cook options or high and low slow cooking settings. In our tests, it performed well both pressure cooking and slow cooking beef stew. We also found the LCD screen and knobs to be super intuitive and easy to use. The cooking insert is dishwasher safe, but Breville does recommend hand washing to retain the ceramic coating. Capacity 6.3 quarts. Weight 14 pounds. Dimensions 12.5 x 13.5 x 14. 11 pressure cook settings. Cooking insert is dishwasher safe. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.